Freelancing, it sounds like the dream, right? No boss, no cubicle, no set hours. But before you dive headfirst into the world of self-employment, there are a few things I wish someone had told me. Stick around, because knowing these could save you a lot of headaches. Let's kick things off with the big one. Not every client is a dream client. Some pay late. Others ghost you after you've already put in the work. Build a contract for every project. No exceptions. Trust me, future you will thank you. Freelancing means you're not just the writer, designer, or developer. You're also the accountant, marketer, customer service rep, and, oh yeah, the CEO of your one-person empire. Be ready to juggle all these roles. Without a 9-to-5 structure, it's easy for work to bleed into your evenings and weekends. Set boundaries early on and stick to them. Otherwise, you might find yourself working at 2 a.m., wondering where your free time went. Freelancing isn't all about your skills. It's also about who you know. Make time to build connections, join communities, and reach out to potential collaborators or mentors. Your network can often bring you opportunities you didn't even know existed. There will be times when you have more work than you can handle, and times when you're refreshing your inbox hoping for a single email. Plan ahead financially to ride out those slow months without panicking. When you're new, it's tempting to undersell yourself just to land clients. Don't do it. Research industry rates, calculate your expenses, and value your time appropriately. Remember, you're not just charging for the hours worked, but for your experience and expertise. Here's the good news. The learning curve is steep, but it's worth it. You'll get better at your craft, figure out what clients you want to work with, and build systems to streamline your workflow. Embrace the process. It's all part of the journey. Freelancing has its challenges, but it's also one of the most rewarding paths you can take. If you're just starting out, which of these points resonates with you most? Drop a comment below. And if you're already a freelancer, what's one thing you wish you'd known earlier? Let's help each other out.